Welcome back to the workshop. Today I'm going to be putting together a mini Gunpla that I found at the local hobby store and showing how I put an LED light inside. So the first step is to take all the pieces apart off of the plastic sprues, fit those together. Only some mild frustration going on here. And honestly, this is a pretty simple little build. It was just really tiny pieces, so it was harder than the standard sized ones. I had a tiny flickering orange LED light left over from my Star Wars build, and I thought it would be cool if I mounted that in the Gunpla somewhere. Probably in the chest. And I also found this little base that I had from a little bud vase. And so I decided that would be a good platform to mount this on. So my first step was to mark out where I wanted to put the LED and just drill through with my power drill. After that, I got out my airbrush and gave him a nice black primer coat. So I decided that I wanted this Gunpla to be a little more dieselpunk or steampunk. So I used a bronze colored Sharpie and just added some metal accents. I found my little jar of cogs and wheels and watch pieces and decided to add some of those to him to give him more of a mechanical steampunk sort of look. Once I had all of the add-ons glued on and painted, I had to mark out on the base where I wanted to drill to fish all the wires through. So the LED wires would run down the back and underneath to a battery pack mounted on the base. Once the electronics were soldered and mounted to the base, it was time to see the finished product. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure that you like and subscribe for more builds coming soon.